Hey there, everybody. Bill Jr. here. Just coming to you today, really focused on and talking about our Kanga Kare Clubs. They have been exploding in popularity really over the last probably 2.5 years. And we just sent out a newsletter about it. But it's really our opportunity today. I just want to educate people on it a little bit more. Because they're two different programs. You have one for residential, you have one for commercial. And here's the single biggest thing that a Kanga Kare Club does. It maximizes the life of your roof. You know, so many of us now are conditioned to thinking a roof is only going to last 20 years. Well, the reality is, if you perform proper maintenance on a properly installed roof, there's really no reason that that roof is only going 20 years. And if you can delay and push out the investment and having to spend on residentially $10, $20, $30,000 on a new roof, commercially, you're talking 50, 100, $250,000 on a new roof. If we can extend that roof by an extra 5, 10, sometimes 15 years and push that investment out into the future, my gosh, I mean, it pays for itself 100 times over. There's also some other added benefits that I don't think people always think about. When you're up there every year and you're checking on that roof and performing all the little things, touching up the caulk, you see a nail head, you tap it down, you keep everything tight. What it really does too is it prevents the major leak or the issue that you see that maybe took 3, 4, 5 winters and freeze and thaws to happen. Well, by being on top of it, instead of a $3,000 repair bill between wet drywall and painting and the roofing, hey, you know what? It was a nothing burger. It never actually happened. And I think that's a real big thing people forget about sometimes. There's a ton of other benefits to the Kanga Kare Club we've talked about before. It's always that front of line service. So if you ever did have an issue as a Kanga Kare Club member, boom, you go right to the front of the line. But for me, at the core, and it really comes to who we are, our whole mission, the reason we do this is to maximize the life of every single roof. And really the number one tool we have to do that is the Kanga Kare Club. So if you're not a member yet, I really encourage you, have us out. Let us show you what it's all about. Commercially, it's all based upon the composition and size of your roof. Residentially, there's literally not a better deal in town. It's $9 a month. It's cheaper than Netflix. And it's the best program I know of out there. And I don't know of any other roofers who offer this type of program, especially on the residential side. So if you're interested, give us a call, 586-566-0308. You can always go on our website, which is kanga-roof.com. Or once you're on there, you can submit an inquiry or shoot us an email. So we're here for you. I hope you're having a great spring day, enjoying the sunlight, and we cannot wait to hop to it for you.